I got this 200-watt LED floodlight from Scrape. Half of this LED is working properly while rest of them is blinking. I'm not sure if LEDs is faulty or the driver circuit. It has total 4 drivers, each of them is 50 watt. I will remove the live wires and see if it's faulty or good. The 2 drivers at the right side is for the right part of the LED and the left drivers is for the left LED. So the problem is with the drivers at left. Let's check the voltage of the drivers. It's not showing any volt, but still when I connect the both drivers it starts glowing. Let's remove this remaining wire. This another driver is also not giving any output. It's weird. The LED don't glows when I connect any single driver, but it glows with the 2 drivers. This third driver shows 48 volt. And the fourth one shows 24 volt because I am measuring the voltage across the LED. So the remaining 24 volts gets dropped by the LED. Again I started measuring the voltage by flipping the wires and I got the reading. So the problem is with the wiring. Someone had changed the drivers and connected the wires wrong. So I just flipped it and it's fixed. After cleaning the lens and the LED, I will place the things back. Now it's working properly.
Giveaway time. I am giving away these of 3 LED drivers to my subscribers. All you have to do is leave a comment below and 3 of the most liked comments will be selected. Winners will be announced in upcoming video.
Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.